Introduction to the topic of debt collection and the statute of limitations, emphasizing the importance of understanding legal boundaries and rights. This video provides educational insights into common debt practices and limitations, but is not a substitute for professional legal advice. In this video, we'll cover the basics of debt collection, what statute of limitations means, the difference between credit reporting and legal limitations, re-aging of debt, and steps you can take to protect yourself. Discussing the fundamental aspects of debt collection, focusing on statutes of limitations that dictate the time frame a creditor has to sue a debtor. These limitations vary based on the type of debt and state laws. Exploring the distinction between the 7-year credit reporting rule and statute of limitations. The debt might not affect your credit score beyond this period, but could still legally exist. This section clarifies how these timeframes interact and affect credit scores. Let's test your understanding. What does the 7-year rule refer to in the context of credit reporting? Is it A, the time a creditor has to sue for debt collection? B, the period a debt affects your credit score? C, the length of time a debt collector can attempt to collect a debt without validation? Or D, the maximum time allowed for debt re-aging practices? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B. The period a debt affects your credit score. This refers to how a debt may appear on your credit report for 7 years from the last payment or default, impacting your credit score within this period. This flowchart explains the process of debt re-aging. It shows how collectors might attempt to restart the clock on your credit report by transferring the debt, which is often illegal, and how it could negatively impact your credit history despite the age of the original debt. Steps you can take if faced with debt re-aging or other unfair collection practices include requesting documentation to verify the debt, disputing with credit bureaus if the debt is invalid, and consulting an attorney if necessary. To summarize, understand your rights under FDCPA, differentiate between credit reporting and legal deadlines, and act promptly to protect your credit score and address potential legal issues. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this information has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.